The harsh truth: no one is coming to save you. If you're waiting for the perfect opportunity, a lucky break, or someone to hand you a fortune, stop. No one is coming. No one is going to give you wealth, financial security, or a life of freedom. The good news? It doesn't matter where you start. You could be broke, drowning in debt, or living paycheck to paycheck, but that doesn't mean you're doomed to stay there. However, wealth doesn't happen by accident. It takes strategy, discipline, and time. The right habits will push you toward financial success, and the wrong ones will trap you in poverty forever. This is the ultimate roadmap to building wealth from nothing. Follow this, and your financial life will change forever. Most people stay broke because they think like broke people. They believe money is evil. Rich people got lucky. I'll never be wealthy. The truth? These beliefs keep you poor. Here's what wealthy people actually believe. Money is a tool for freedom, not the root of all evil. If others built wealth from nothing, so can I. I control my financial future. If you believe you'll always be poor, you'll act in ways that keep you poor, spending every dollar, avoiding financial education, and blaming external factors. Wealth starts in your mind. The rich don't think about money in terms of spending. They think about it in terms of growing, multiplying, and preserving it. Action steps. Identify and rewrite any negative beliefs about money. Surround yourself with people who talk about wealth building, not complaining about being broke. Start thinking long-term. Every financial decision you make today should benefit you years from now. Action step. Get out of survival mode. If you're barely making ends meet, you can't focus on investing or financial freedom yet. You need to stabilize first. Cut all unnecessary expenses, eating out, subscriptions, impulse shopping. Find ways to make extra money, side gigs, freelancing, second job. Save a $1,000 emergency fund ASAP so you don't rely on credit cards for surprises. Why? Because financial stress keeps you trapped. If you're constantly worried about bills, you can't think clearly, plan for the future, or take smart risks. Golden rule: before wealth building, stabilize your financial life. That means no more living paycheck to paycheck. Action steps. Track every dollar you spend for the next 30 days. Cut or reduce non-essential expenses. Build a small emergency fund, $1,000 minimum. Action step. Increase your income. Because you can't save your way to wealth. Budgeting is important, but you can only cut so much. Why? Because more income means you can save and invest faster, eliminate debt quicker, and create a lifestyle where money is never a worry. Ways to increase your income fast. Ask for a raise. If you have a job, become more valuable and negotiate your salary. Start a side hustle. Freelancing, consulting, e-commerce, tutoring. There are endless ways to make money online. Develop high-income skills. Coding, digital marketing, copywriting, and sales can dramatically increase your earning potential. Create a scalable income stream. Sell digital products, start a YouTube channel, build an online course. Golden rule: wealthy people focus on increasing their earning power, not just cutting back on coffee. Action steps. Identify one skill or side hustle you can start today. Commit to learning a high-income skill over the next 3 to 6 months. Start applying for better-paying jobs or clients. Debt is like negative investing. Instead of making money, you're losing it every single month. Priority: eliminate high-interest debt. Fast. Credit cards, payday loans, personal loans. Use the debt avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first, then move to the next. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you're making more money doesn't mean you should spend more. Smart debt versus bad debt. Good debt is used for assets that grow in value: real estate, education, business investments. Bad debt is used for things that lose value: luxury cars, vacations, designer clothes. Action steps. List all your debts from highest to lowest interest rate. Pay off high-interest debts aggressively. Only use debt strategically to buy assets, not liabilities. Action step. Save and invest aggressively. Make your money work for you. If you're not investing, you're losing money to inflation. Start with an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Stocks, real estate, businesses, not cars and gadgets. Use compound interest to your advantage. The earlier you start, the faster your money grows. Where to invest as a beginner? Stock market. Index funds like the S&P 500, historically 8 to 10% annual returns with minimal effort. Dividend stocks, stocks that pay you regular passive income, real estate, rental properties that generate steady income and appreciate over time. Your own business, the fastest way to build massive wealth. Action steps: open a brokerage account today, invest in an index fund with a small amount, commit to investing consistently no matter what. Step action: build passive income so you never have to work again. True wealth equals making money while you sleep. How to build passive income: dividend stocks, stocks that pay you money just for holding them. Rental properties, monthly rent equals steady cash flow. Create digital products, online courses, books, printables. Start an online business, anything that generates money without trading time for it. Action steps: identify one passive income idea that fits your skills. Start building it today. Set a goal to make your first $1,000 in passive income. Final truth: wealth is built, not given. Most millionaires didn't start rich, they built wealth from scratch. Fix your money mindset, get out of survival mode, increase your income, escape debt, save and invest aggressively, build passive income, protect and multiply your wealth. No matter where you're starting from, you can do this. No matter where you're starting from, you can do this. The only question is, are you ready to take control of your financial future?